everyone! Want to earn extra cash from home? This video shows you a free paid survey site where you can share your opinions and get rewarded with real PayPal money or gift cards. Before I jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss easy ways to make money online. And let me know in the comments which country you're watching from. I want to make videos tailored just for your region. Alright, let's get into it. Have you ever wondered if those get paid for your opinion sites are actually legit? Well, I decided to try it out myself, and guess what? I earned $299.99 just by taking surveys online. No crazy skills needed, just a bit of spare time and your honest opinions. The site I used is called Ipsos iSay. If you haven't heard of it, it's one of the oldest paid survey platforms out there, and it's totally legit. Over 120,000 people have given it positive reviews, and it's rocking a 4.7-star rating, so you know it's not some scammy website. Plus, there's loads of payment proof floating around online. Ipsos iSay is available in more than 100 countries, so there's a good chance you can sign up no matter where you live. Signing up is free and super straightforward. So, how does it work? Once you join, you'll get survey invites straight to your inbox. Most surveys take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes to complete, and they usually pay between 25 cents and $1.50 each. It doesn't sound like a ton, but trust me, it adds up faster than you think, especially if you're just chilling on the couch or waiting for the bus. And here's a little pro tip. Ipsos iSay has a referral program. For every friend you invite who joins, you get $1. So if you have a few friends looking to make some extra cash, invite them and you'll both benefit. When you reach $5, you can cash out. Ipsos iSay pays through PayPal, so the money goes directly into your account. Or, if you prefer, you can grab a gift card to your favorite store. Super simple. I know some people are skeptical, but I've actually seen the money hit my account. No drama, no weird hoops to jump through. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but if you want a side hustle that's low stress and flexible, this could be perfect for you. So, are you ready to turn your spare time into extra cash? Try out Ipsos iSay and let me know how it goes. And if you've already tried it or another survey site, drop your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear what's working for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new side hustle idea. See you in the next video.